This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, July the 7th. I'm Michael Groff. Another very hot day here in the valley with an excessive heat warning in effect through this evening. But by this weekend and continuing through next week, clouds and moisture on the increase, the humidities are coming up, and the chances of afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms will spread across the entire state virtually through the period as the monsoon gets cranked up. So let's talk about it as we look outside this morning here at 5:30 a.m. Some clouds out there right now, 91 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 54, relative humidity 28%. Winds have picked up out of the east-northeast at 13 miles per hour, and the barometer is falling. Temperatures out there this morning, the cool spot, so to speak, Maricopa at 82, another 82 out there in the West Valley, but most of us here in the urban core in the low and middle 90s. Satellite shows some clouds across the central and western part of the state, and even a few isolated showers in western Maricopa, parts of La Paz, Mojave, and Yavapai County. So if you're heading west on I-10, maybe you run into a light sprinkle someplace, some of this rain probably not reaching the ground, and that will continue for the next couple of hours. Here's the watch warning map, and again, excessive heat warnings here throughout much of the southwest, from Phoenix up to Vegas, Palm Springs, Imperial, Yuma, and other heat-related issues across the west as well. Some elevated fire danger also with the red flag warnings across parts of Arizona, Nevada, Utah, and up into the Pacific Northwest. An air quality alert around Dallas, Fort Worth, and Oklahoma City, and a dense fog advisory in sections of Tennessee and Kentucky. On the convective outlook, we have a slight risk of severe storms today from around Indianapolis through Cincinnati, Cleveland, Columbus, Detroit, and Pittsburgh. The marginal risk of severe storms extends from the western plains all the way to as far east as central New York State. And so let's get into the details of our weather, and to do that, we will take a look at the models and see what's happening for the future. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. And this pattern that you see here is not going anywhere anytime soon. We'll probably be locked in this for at least the next week or so. Why is that? Because we have high pressure sitting here over the southwest. Monsoonal flow beginning to kick up. The high can't really expand westward because we have deep troughing across the North Pacific. The high won't be expanding or moving very far to the east as weather systems have carved out a trough in the eastern part of the country. So what you see is what you get. Now, one more day of really hot temperatures as the air mass is still relatively dry. Highs this afternoon, 111 to 115. The sky today here in the valley should be partly sunny. And there's, of course, the threat of widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in the mountains north and east of Phoenix and in the southeastern quarter of the state. Now, those storms are going to try very hard to make their way into the south central deserts with that easterly steering flow. And how well is that going to work out? Let's take a look at the high-res models. Here's the NAM tonight at 7 o'clock, and it shows an isolated shower or thunderstorm from central Pinal County north through eastern Maricopa and Gila counties. And this could kick up some blowing dust, some gusty winds, and that's probably about all we can hope for here in the valley. Some spot might see some rain, but I would just not count on that. Meanwhile, the HRRR, this is the high-resolution rapid refresh model at the same time, 7 o'clock tonight. It is definitely more bullish with the thunderstorms, spreading scattered thunderstorms here into the valley this evening. And I think this might be a little bit overdone, but the possibility, I suppose, does exist. The slightest possibility of showers and storms. More likely, if we see anything at all, though, it will come in the form of blowing dust and gusty winds. Otherwise, tonight will be partly cloudy, lows in the low 80s to low 90s. Tomorrow, better moisture spreading in. And so widely scattered showers and thunderstorms again, the mountains, and pushing their way toward the deserts. I think we have a 20% chance of storms here in the valley. A little bit cooler with added humidity tomorrow, highs 108 to 111. Still really hot though, obviously. Sunday, more moisture, more clouds, partly sunny skies, highs 106 to 109. And then really we just get locked into the same pattern. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the mountains, pushing their way west toward the deserts. Our chances of seeing rain on any given day, about 1 in 4 every afternoon, beginning Monday and Tuesday. Now, I show you this view because there is a weak tropical system depicted by the GFS rotating around the western periphery of the high, well west of the Baja. Don't think this is going to have any significant ramifications on our weather, but it is something that we will watch as the tropics in the eastern Pacific have become pretty active. Here's Wednesday, here's Thursday, and really no change. High temperatures each day about 103 to 107 with partly sunny skies and a 1 in 4 chance of showers and storms each afternoon through the nighttime hours. And as we go out to a week from today, this is Friday, the 14th of July, the pattern not changing at all. High pressure sitting north of the state, broad easterly flow, chances of showers and thunderstorms each afternoon and evening here in the valley, highs 103 to 107. Same thing holds firm on Saturday the 15th. And the end of the forecast period, Sunday the 16th, this pattern just does not look to change very much. Of note, the global models are showing considerable amounts of spread out here, as you would imagine, depicting various amounts of moisture and a lot of different features coming in, tropical moisture, tropical systems, inverted troughs. There's just no way to tell reliably beyond a few days which day is going to be more active than the next. The monsoon is just too fickle like that. There are far too many subtle features. But with that having been said, I want to show you this. This is the European on Sunday, the 16th of July. You notice anything strange here? That is a lot of moisture in the southwest. I mean, look at that. That would be an incredible amount of rain here through the southwest. Obviously, I do not believe this is going to happen. I'm basically showing you this map, this chart, the surface chart for comic relief on a Friday. Why not? But hey, if this by chance happens to verify, I don't think we have to worry about any drought conditions or any rainfall deficits for a long, long time here in the Southwest. All right, looking at the temperatures through the period off of the European ensemble, daytime highs will be coming down a bit. Overnight lows will remain warm as added humidity, cloud cover, and chances of precipitation help to level off the temperatures just a bit. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. We're back to a 7-day schedule, so our next video is back here, lucky you, tomorrow morning, bright and early. We'll see you then. Have yourselves a great Friday, everybody. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us. That way, every time we post a brand new video, you'll get the notifications. Have a great day.